as the energy sector works toward a lower carbon future. The challenge isn't just building new systems, it's improving the performance of the assets we rely on today. In fired heaters, fouling in the convection section quietly drives higher fuel use, higher emissions, and reduced reliability, often in areas that are difficult or unsafe to access. Developed in-house by IGS, the TubeTech ROV combines robotics, digital evaluation, and performance verification to safely restore heat transfer performance, without confined-space entry or capital disruption. At Oman Methanol, the TubeTech ROV reduced stack temperature by 34 degrees Celsius, improved fuel efficiency by 1.8%, and restored full throughput, cutting emissions while improving performance. The TubeTech ROV shows that the energy transition doesn't require a choice between performance and progress. Through robotics, digital insight, and automation, it delivers real emissions reduction today, using the assets that power the world.